Before we begin looking at the various methods that psychologists use to gather data and information, we need to recap the scientific method and define its role in psychology. Let's review the steps. Step number 1, ask a question. Think of a research question. Try to be specific and avoid vague questions. Usually your question stems from something you observe, and it also has to be something that you can measure, preferably with a number. Let's use an example throughout our video of, do cats like water? Step 2, do some background research. Using credible sources, let's take a look at what some websites say, such as animaldiscovery.com. Most scientists seem to agree that cats do not like water, and that is because they have been sheltered from the element since the beginning of their lives. Therefore, it appears most house cats have an aversion for water, whereas outdoor cats are more tolerant. Step 3, construct a hypothesis. Your hypothesis should be an if-then statement. If I do this, then that happens. If I force a house cat into water, then they will develop a water aversion. We could take this hypothesis a little further and provide a measurable number. Cats will develop water aversion 60% of the time. Step 4 is testing your hypothesis. This can be done in a number of ways, including all of the methods psychologists use. These will be gone over later. The most common method used is the experimental method, although certainly other methods can be used in this hypothesis. Your task is to count how many cats develop water aversion. Tally the number of cats that scramble out of the water, as well as how many cats are displayed in the video.
Is it over for you? Over for you? I don't even have to cry, and I'll tell you why. There is nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Tell me why did you call me now? And I have to believe, I don't know how. Is it true? Wondering why did I do that to you, do that to you, but you didn't wanna try, you didn't see the light, and it is over for you, over for you. Tell me why did you call me now, and I have to believe, I don't know how. Is it true? Just a single kiss and a gentle touch. Maybe I was wrong and you're not the one. I am free and it's my time for fun. And it's my time for fun. Loving me is what you do, 'cause I need them more than you know.
This brings us to step 5, analyzing and drawing conclusions. If you missed the data, rewatch the video and determine how many indoor cats, the ones that were in the house, were thrown in water and scrambled to get out. Of the 11 indoor cats that were depicted in the video, only 5 scrambled to get out of the water. Just taking a quick look at the data, you should be able to see that our hypothesis was incorrect. A majority of the cats were actually okay with being in water. Only 45% of the cats had water aversion. Before we revamp our hypothesis, it is important to retest. After retesting, that leads us to the last step, reporting your findings or communicating your results. This concludes the video on the scientific method. If you have any questions about the scientific method, please see me before or after class. In the next few days, we'll be exploring the various methods used by psychologists to collect their data.